too. I was coming by and heading off to the airport. But I wanted to just tell you guys a couple things that helped me when I was your age. First of all, when I was your age, I dreamed of going to the Olympics. Okay? It was a weird dream because people thought I was crazy. They're like, how are you going to make it to the Olympics? But I knew a couple things. If I had a dream, if I was willing to work harder than anybody else at it, and if I always believed in myself. Okay? Because lots of people will tell you that you can't do it, right? Lots of people told me I couldn't do it. I had a coach who I tried at first team, and he cut me. He said, you're not good enough. And you know what? It was the best thing that ever happened to me, because for the next year, I trained an extra 15 minutes every single day. I either went to the football pitch 15 minutes earlier, or stayed 15 minutes later. And you know why this is a great lesson? Is because it's not all sports. Because not everybody here wants to be an Olympian. You can be a teacher, a doctor, a lawyer, but it's the same thing. You have to be willing to work harder than anyone else to accomplish your dreams. People will tell you you can't do it. There will be days where you don't feel great. But you see this? I got to hang out with Usain Bolt a couple times, you guys, right? I'm a Puma athlete, right? So we've done commercials together, we've done shoots together. I travel the world for a living. And that's all because I dared to dream big. Okay, you have to dream big. You have to be willing to work harder than anyone else and never, ever, ever let anyone tell you you can't do anything. Do you guys get that? All right? So I'm leaving here today. I just wanted to come say hi. It's a pleasure. My mother's Jamaican, so I am from Jamaica. But I always wanted to tell you guys one thing, and just like I said, okay? You can accomplish anything in life. Look at me. I've been to 2 Olympic Games and 4 World Cups. I've broken a couple records in Canada, and that's all because I dared to dream big. So if I'm leaving anything with you guys this morning, it's to start dreaming. Start dreaming big. Don't dream small. Don't dream to hopefully just get out of school. Start to put things in your head that people say is not possible and work hard to make it come true, okay? I love you guys. Thank you for listening to me, and all the best. God bless.